Hi, Oti Group, and what you call this? Fantastic Four?
Yes.
OT5 ba yun? OT5 o Voltes 5?
Anong boldest vibe? Finger 5.
Ba't finger?
Di ba? Finger 5.
What's your finger 5? Ay, finger 5. For those who, not busy today, tonight.
Please come.
Yes. We were just us. And we are inviting you. We are inviting you all. Oh my gosh.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, may kasamang tissue. I don't know how to drink.
Arte mo.
No, seriously. Serious, yeah.
Arte mo.
When was the last time? 15 years ago.
Oh.
My gosh. And then, when I got drunk, I spread my legs. What the F?
Baka naman mula na in love ka uli. Tsaka ka natutong uminom.
No. I really don't drink.
Ako rin naman matagal na ako hindi nagiinom. Ilang years ba? 10 years?
Hoy, pumunta kayo dito. Mag-visit kayo. Ang dami na pulutan dito, mga bakla. Mga autistic, come over. Let's get drunk. Let's get drunk. Move your body. Move your body, not in the middle of the body. Oh my gosh. May alcohol, ano? Oh, Diyos ko.
Fantastic 5 ba? Ay, hindi pala.
Fantastic Four.
Finger 5.
Finger 5. Finger 5.
Asan kayo?
Sino ba ako? Yellow 2? Narorapor ako.
Finger 4.
Finger 4 ako.
Yes.
Finger 4, ganyan.
Ako si Finger 5.
Mujaya, that's big! Ang finger 5. Muja, finger 5. Ang laki. Shit.
Dapat nga, 'di ba? Yellow 4 ka. Eh sabi niyo finger na lang.
Finger 4 ako. Ikaw finger 5.
Yes.
Ayan,
finger
I want you to meet finger 5. TikToker. She said she's finger 5.
Huwag mo ilagay sa TikTok, gogi.
Nilalagay ko sa TikTok.